Hello everybody, today I'm going to take you on an eco tour in Harvest Cay in Belize, so enjoy.
That's a pretty shot.
Alright everybody, this is Leonardo. In the back we have Darwin, we're going to be our tour guides for today. And then we have Captain John. So there we go, right? Captain John, Dare John. That's what they call him. So we'll be headed down to Monkey River to do the Monkey River tour. On the way down there's some safety tips. So
We'll complain if you do.
Alright, we're not going to need it. You have any more questions? The fish within their claws are not retractable, so they then fly up to a tree and have their meal. Around here we call those a billy.
Yep.
Jaguars.
No.
Sure. Jaguars, Jaguarundi. Jaguarundi, Margis and the Jaguarundi are the two smallest cats. They're like similar size of a domestic cat, right? Then the Ocelot is the size of a domestic dog. Then the Jaguar is the largest. Though the smallest cats, if you look up under the trunk of this tree, folks, they are more like good. Under the trunk here that is leaning over the water, about a foot from where it forks off up at the top, about a foot down, there's some spots under that tree. They're in a line, right? They look like beetles.
Yeah.
Those cats are see the spots?
Yeah.
Those are bats.
Come here, pretty.
Come
here, Weed.
So these little bats, they had that mic side of a tree and he would show you. Fishing for tarpon, snooks, velvet, it's not a tarpon, big guys jump. They had one of these guys like jump 3 tarpons. The reason why the tree is called the trumpet tree. This plant is locally called the trumpet. The reason why it's called the trumpet tree.
Willie,
Take a picture because I know.
let's go grab that one, buddy. Go grab it.
Be right back.
Really tiny.
From back in dinosaur times, sharks and crocodiles, they only evolved to suit their environment and their surroundings, right? They're larger than the males, right? And the reason why is because they just slide in. It's a slider, right? So it does. Furnace, it might not find both a furnace, so some of our juveniles stand chances of surviving. So these turtles don't put all their eggs in one basket, right?
Those big leaves. See the big leaves about 20 feet up? Big leaves. They're right on top of those big leaves.
Hope you can see where he's going. Do you think I'm in his line of vision?
You can do it through large boat.
Kind of quit. Right, a little more to the right.
Alright, Leonardo is I'm gonna go in, cook. Look for these monkeys. As soon as I find them, I'm gonna come back and get you folks and go see.
And the reason why they locate these trees because we have venomous snake here in Belize, right? And if you're bitten by a venomous snake, this tree can save your life. Right? So if you're bitten by a venomous snake, what you want to do is take about 20 inches of the bark, chew it up, you swallow the juice. Right? You take the trash, you put it on the spot where you were bitten. Now the juice, you take about 20 inches from the root as well, you chew it up, swallow the juice, you spit out the trash. The trash you put on the spot draws back some of the toxin. The juice that you swallow helps to slow down the toxin from spreading in the bloodstream as fast, so it gives you a 7 to 8 hours window to get to a doctor. Right? So this tree can save your life if you're bitten by a venomous snake. This tree also have a symbiotic relationship with an ant called the Aztec ant. If you look at the thorns, when these thorns are young and green, the ant will bore holes in these thorns, right? This tree also put out a pollen-like substance on the leaf that the ant eat as well. So this tree provides food and a home for the ant, and in return, the ant will attack. See this? There's a lot of see the ant. These are Aztec ant right here. Will attack any animal that tries to come on this tree, or any invasive plant that tries to grow up on this tree. The ant will eat down those invasive plants, right? Yeah, so this is called the bullheart acacia. It's also medicinal, right? It's also a medicinal plant. Let's see, maybe if we take a smell of the leaf, peppermint, we can identify it.
Peppermint.
Mint.
Mint.
The lemon leaf if you chew it, right? Now, these are just white on the inside when they're ripe, with little black seeds, right? It's kind of sweet. But when we were younger, this is how we get our local. Oh, so we have some termites right here. Right, so termites build their tunnels on these trees here to move around. See, there's some here.
Can you see it?
One there. No, termites are edible. If you're ever in the jungle and you're lost, you need to get your protein level up. Termites pack a lot of protein, right? So you find a nest, you eat as much as you could. Some folks say they taste like mint, but to me they just taste like the dry wood they eat. I eat them all the time. Now, this tree right here, this is called a Jackass bitters tree. And that's the name. If you research it, that's the name you gotta research it by. A Jackass bitters. The reason why they call it that is because when the leaf is boiled in water and you drink the water, it's very, very bitter. It's one of the medicinal plants that we have here in Belize, right? So, but once you catch the flu, you'll turn into a jackass very quickly. Because this tree will cure you from the flu, right? This is also the tree, one of the trees that they extract quinine from to cure malaria. Right, the Jackass bitters tree. Yes.
Inside the bark or inside the
You use the
leaf?
the leaves, yeah. Now the dry leaves are also minced up and turned into a poultice, and is used for rash and sores on the skin, right? So yeah, so this tree have a couple of uses here, and in Belize we have a lot of different ethnic groups. We have the Garifuna, we have three dialects of Mayans, we have Creole, we have Mestizo. So all of the different ethnic groups use this tree as medicine, but we use it in different ways, right? This is called a moringa, or tree of life, right? Now it barely have on any leaves right now. But when it have on leaves, these leaves are dried and are drink as a tea, right? And a lot of older people will get up to go to the bathroom a lot at night, and this is what this is used for, right? And this I see this work very good, right? I have my dad, he's in his 70s, he used to get up a lot at night to pee, and he started to drink the tea, dry the leaf and drink it, and now he's only getting up one time at night. Well, the nuts that come in those sacks there, and these ones are old, so they can, but the folks in the village will use it to regulate their high blood pressure, right? They would eat 1 or 2 for the day to regulate their high blood pressure, right? And there's many uses for this tree here.
See how close we are, and it don't move because its predator instincts are we are not seeing it, right? That's nature right in your face, folks. Well, the next thing you could do is spell it.
For the best value on vacations like this, email me at gary.senderoff@cruiseplanners.com. And don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe.